Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and my today's topic is criminal conspiracy. Criminal conspiracy can be defined as an act when two or more persons agrees to do or cause to do any illegal act or any act which is done through illegal means. It is known as criminal conspiracy. It is important to note that the objective to do such a crime is very important in this act. Criminal conspiracy is considered a civil offense initially. The idea of this behind the twofold amendment, abatement in any offenses, and second one is conspiracy with the criminal intent. Then there are some ingredients of section 120A of Indian Penal Code 1860. First one is the in Rajiv Kumar versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the court took out some basic necessary ingredients in order to constitute the conspiracy. First one is there must be two or more persons. Second one is there must be an illegal act or any illegal way. Third one is there must be a meeting of minds. Fourth one is there must be an agreement regarding the same things. The ingredients must be present in any act in order to constitute it's a crime of criminal conspiracy. Then what are the nature and the scope of law of conspiracy in section 128? The nature and the scope of criminal conspiracy is limited as conspiring to do an illegal act of two or more persons. No one person can constitute the offense. It requires two or more persons to agree to do the same act. In Ram Narayan Popli versus CBI, the court laid down several aspects of criminal conspiracy. First one is an object of accomplishment. Second one is a plan or a scheme embodying means an accomplishment of that object. Third one is an agreement of understanding between two or more persons accused a person whereby. Fourth one is in the jurisdiction where the statute requires all over the act. What is the proof of conspiracy? The crime is inherently psychological in nature. The proof of such an act is so difficult that it can be ascertained by the further facts, act like and keep a secret. However, it does not constitute any essential elements of the conspiracy. It can done through direct evidence or circumstantial evidence. Thank you.